Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Budi Setiawan. I'm a doctoral student in population studies at Universitas Gadjah Mada. I would like to present the result about probabilistic projection of life expectancy for Indonesia and its regions using the joint probabilistic projection model. In the most recent official population projection, government agencies still use a deterministic approach to prepare the infant mortality rate assumption. In the context of EMR, the population projection rely on two scenarios, namely policy-based and trend-based. The former assume that from 2015 till 2030, national EMR decreased by 3% per year, while the latter project both national and provincial EMR to decline similarly like the past EMR using the logistic function. Lelig and Raftery, Lelig and Gerland further developed a one-sex BSM-based projection to build a joint probabilistic projection for life expectancy of females and males for all countries. The UN has adopted this model to produce probabilistic projection of life expectancy for all countries, including Indonesia, and the latest projection have been published in the WPP 2019. Adil and Mazuko initiated the application of GPP to create probabilistic projection of life expectancy for the subnational level in Pakistan. They found that GPP with Asian countries as the prior distribution has nearly similar result to the one with all countries as the prior distribution. In this case, they suggest the use of Asian countries rather than all countries to minimize the effect of pattern form in developed countries on developing ones. In line with Adil and Mazuko, the study was designed to implement the GPP model to create probabilistic projection of life expectancy at the national and subnational level in Indonesia. It used three types of GPPs with different prior distribution, namely all countries, Asian countries, and Southeast Asian countries. This study used the IOF and IOM estimates for all countries made by the UN and published in the WPP 2019. The 5-year national and provincial IOF and IOM data in Indonesia were estimated using cubic spline interpolation based on the same data derived from the population census and the interchangeable population survey in different years, which were published by Statistik Indonesia except for IPS 2015. For this year, the IOF and IOM data were obtained by interpolating EMR to IOF and IOM using the West model of the Cole-Demeny mortality table. This research used the GPP model developed by Lelig and Raftery, Lelig and Gerland, with the BSM-based projection proposed by Chun et al. And Raftery, Chun, Gerland, and Sevcikova as the basis. This model consists of two steps, namely BSM-based probabilistic projection of IOF and stochastic projection of the gap between IOF and IOM using the Lelig regression model and the IOF data derived from the first step as a covariate. As for the probabilistic projection of IOM, this result combined the projected IOF in step 1 with the gap identified in step 2. This GPP model has been previously implemented in the R package, term bias life by Sevcikova, Raftery, and Chun. Among the three joint probabilistic projection, GPP with Asian countries as the prior distribution saw the highest accuracy. Mean average percentage error values of the IOF and IOM projection were 1.3% and 1.42%, respectively. In terms of precision, this GPP has a smaller difference between the upper and lower bound of the prediction interval than GPP with Southeast Asian countries as the prior distribution, but wider than GPP with all countries as the prior distribution. At 80% confidence level, it produced difference amounting to 4.36 and 4.74 years between the upper and lower bounds for IOF and IOM projection. Furthermore, it had similar coverage to GPP with Southeast Asian countries as the prior distribution. Around 84.85 and 87.88% of actual IOF lay within the prediction interval with 80 and 95% confidence level. Meanwhile, 87.88% of actual IOM was within the 80% of prediction interval. In the 2015 till 2020 period, the officially projected IOF was lower than the median IOF produced by the three GPPs. GPP with Asian countries as the prior distribution saw the lowest difference between the two IOF estimates. Similarly, the officially projected IOM was lower than the median IOM but the difference between the two was smaller than the difference in IOF. At the end of the projection period, 2045 till 2050, the three GPPs of IOF and IOM deviated further from the official projection because the latter applied two targets during the process. First, EMR was assumed to decrease by 3% per year during the projection period in policy-based scenario, and this most likely affect the official projection because the resulting IOF and IOM are the product of EMR interpolation using the West model of the Koldemany mortality table. Second, the lower bound of the logistic function was set at 16 children per 1,000 live birth, so that the officially estimated IMR at the end of the projection period increased to 16.21 children per 1,000 live birth. Nonetheless, the officially projected IOF and IOM lay within the 80% prediction interval, and this IOF shifted into the 95% prediction interval. From 2015 until 2050, the median IOF and IOM in the UN's projection are lower than in the three GPPs. This result reflects differences in data source and method used to produce 5 years IOF and IOM estimates for the 1950 till 2015 period in Indonesia. In 2050, the two types of projection differ less significantly, except for the IOM produced by the GPP, with all countries as the prior distribution. In the 2015 to 2020 period, the officially projected life expectancy of women lay within the prediction interval of the three GPPs, except for Papua and Papua Barat. Also, Gorontalo was the only province where its officially projected IOF was outside the prediction interval of GPP, with all countries as the prior distribution. In 2045 till 2050, the officially projected IOF of Papua Barat shifted from outside into within the prediction interval of the three GPPs. Meanwhile, in Papua, IOF in the official projection revealed a similar shift into the 95% prediction interval of only GPP with Southeast Asian countries as the prior distribution. GPPs of IOM saw a similar pattern, especially at the beginning of the projection period. The officially projected IOM of Papua and Papua Barat lay outside the prediction interval of the three GPPs, but then changed at the end of the observed period. Life expectancy of men in both provinces shifted into within the 80% and 95% prediction interval of the three GPPs. Here the conclusion of this research. The research supports the use of continent rather than all countries as the prior distribution in GPP, so as to minimize the effect of pattern form in developed countries on developing one. Based on the length of the process, the form requires a much shorter time than the latter. The research confirmed that GPP is reliable for creating probabilistic projection of life expectancy of women and men at the national and provincial level in Indonesia. Overall, the research implies that joint probabilistic projection is highly recommended in producing IOF and IOM estimates for the official population projection based on the 2020 population census. These are the references we use in our research. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.